Here now with the top 3 cybersecurity risks in business is Randy Martinez.
Welcome everybody to this special presentation, The New Breed of Cyber Criminal. My special guest is Randy Martinez of IT Pros Management.
We've got Mr. Randy Martinez, Vice President of Technical Services and Operations over at IT Pros Management.
To help you navigate the current landscape is IT Pros Management Vice President Randy Martinez.
Small Business Tech Day, a celebrity-packed half-day event that teaches CEOs how to use current technology to maximize productivity and profits in their business while staying protected and secure. Featuring well-known business leaders, tech experts, and leading minds.
Top cybersecurity expert Randy Martinez.
The biggest lie that's out there right now is that my business is too small. Ransomware is the biggest culprit of cyber tech that we see today. They just sit in your network waiting for the right time to make their move.
So what are the top 3 cybersecurity risks businesses are facing in 2024?
Ransomware attacks. We all know what they are. We know that they've occurred, but they are getting more sophisticated, more targeted. And the bad actors, cyber criminals, are actually using a lot of intelligence and information gathering to be able to target these attacks and know exactly how much money they can actually extort from these ransomware attacks.
There is a big lie or a big misconception that a lot of small and medium-sized business owners believe that might be harming our organizations. What is that lie?
Well, the biggest lie that's out there right now is that my business is too small, I'm not a target, nobody's gonna come after me, I have nothing for hackers or cyber criminals to come after. That's a big lie.
So we're hearing this term modern workplace. What is a modern workplace?
Well, the technical definition of a modern workplace is any business organization that decides that they want to modernize to a digital landscape. My definition is being able to work from anywhere, anytime, on any device in a secure fashion. Well, we are a Microsoft Silver partner, so we use and leverage all the Microsoft solutions that are available to customers based on licensing.
Due to the vast amount of work that's being done remotely now, cloud services became the thing.
Yeah.
Accelerated dramatically during COVID. Cloud service systems are being attacked by these cyber criminals as well. Whoever's providing these services to you need to understand the level of security that needs to be put in place to maintain the security of these cloud service platforms.
This idea of service above all else. Talk to me about this and how you feel that it really helps your company differentiate themselves from the rest of the pack in terms of really just making you guys unique.
That we want to be superheroes for our clients, but even more important than that, we want our clients to be superheroes in their own stories.
Our company takes an approach of layered security, where we prepare rings of security from the outside coming in and slowly coming down to what we call the end user, you and I. So one of the biggest things that organizations can do is provide security awareness training to your staff, and that they need to be aware of these things that are happening, these phishing, ransomware attacks. Understand, don't click on everything.
And I always tell people that knowing is half the battle. You want to win half the battle, know what's happening. In cybersecurity, performing an assessment, a risk assessment initially, when you don't know what's going on, is critical.
Show them where their weaknesses are. We use what we call tradecraft that hackers use, the bad actors. So we turn those tools around and use them on the benefit of our clients, of our customers and partners, so that they can actually learn from those hacks that we perform ethically with their permission, and fill in those gaps where things may be good, where things may need improvement, and where things are just, they're just a disaster. We got really good at implementing this because we had to do it very quickly. Now that we're out of that pandemic stage and we're now running a business, businesses have decided, majority of them, that they want to work this way. They want to keep this type of solution in place.
Okay, well, if people, they want your services, they want to see how secure their business is, how can they get in touch with you? How can they find more information?
They can go to itprosmanagement.com, our website, and basically there's a lot of information regarding how to schedule a pen test, how to talk to us regarding a pen test, how to get a cybersecurity audit. We provide small audits as a free service, and also a dark web scan to see if your credentials are on the dark web. and how we can help you to help mitigate any kind of risk.
So Randy, thank you so much.
This has been really, really enjoyable and quite frankly, eye-opening. Thank you for sharing all this information.
Fascinating stuff. Thank you so much for coming in.
Really appreciate you carving some time out of your day, walking us through IT Pros management. You guys are doing some great work, helping to improve their systems, move to the cloud. A lot of great stuff you guys are working. So tip of the cap to you and your team.